I'm just wondering, because this is what I do. Okay, so I'm just going to read you something.
Go ahead.
True.
Colorado Office of Emergency Management, the Meatball Tony Monument has collapsed. Those east of Interstate 25 in Douglas and Elbert counties should seek higher ground now. The Grand Meatball Hotel is traveling downhill to the east. It will arrive faster than you can leave. If you must evacuate, take only essentials and do not delay.
Umbrella of things
That it could be.
absolutely.
I mean, I feel like I have to just purge myself of the fact that I even questioned it.